In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Assistant read your articles out loud. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. First, you need to set up the voice match on your device if it's not yet enabled. To do that, go to your device's Settings app. Scroll down until you find Google and tap on it. Select Account Services, then search Assistant and Voice, and finally select Voice. Now find and tap on the Voice Match feature under the Hey Google category. Make sure the Google Assistant toggle is on. Also, turn on Hey Google under Voice Match. Once Hey Google is on, Google will ask you to say a few phrases so that it can learn your voice. Now open any article that you want to read out loud. Once opened, say OK Google, Reddit, or Hey Google, Reddit, to your microphone. The first time you'll attempt this command, Google Assistant will probably say it can't do that because screen context needs to be turned on first. Tap OK. You don't have to go looking through settings on your own. Now go back to the article and ask the assistant once again to read it. This time it will surely oblige and say, "Got it," or "OK." It takes a few seconds, as the virtual helper scans the piece before starting to read it out loud. Once the assistant starts reading to you, it will open the web page in a dedicated Read It browser, which features a playback control bar in the lower part of the display where you can pause, play, rewind, or skip forward. In addition, there's an option to increase the speed at which the assistant reads to you by 0.5x to 3x. The best part is if you don't understand the language of the article, you can also change its language. Just tap on the three-dot menu, select Translation, now choose your language, and done. The article will be live audio translated to your selected language. You can also change the read aloud voice from the given options. That's it, guys. This is how you can make Google Assistant read your articles out loud. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.